Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you a quick overview of this telescoping fishing net and some cool features about it. Also a little real world example of this thing in use. First call out, this thing is a massive. So much so that a 5-gallon bucket fits in it oh so nicely. The length of the handle here, which is, give it a little spin and it will shrink down. You have about 38 inches when this is totally telescoped out. You have a handle here on the end, so if you want to kind of hang it or put it up somewhere or just have it around you, so if you're reaching for something, it's not going to, you're not going to lose it if you're, on a boat or somewhere where you got some water. It does telescope as shown, a little quick twist, and then it kind of locks in place and it's nice and sturdy. It's not going to go anywhere. Fully extended all the way out from tip to tip, about 60 inches long. The width on this bad boy is about 18 inches left to right here, and then about 21 inches all the way down here. 18, 19 inches of depth here. This is a rubber type material, not much stretch, but unlike, let's just say, like a nylon or something else, this, after it's wet, you just give it a couple of shakes and it kind of like, I don't know what's in it, but it like beads water pretty easily, and it's not going to get all moldy and everything like like other types of net material would be. It's also very lightweight, so it's very lightweight. This is a hollow, I would assume it's like an aluminum. Also, a call out just from a space saving standpoint is that you have this button right here. This comes off completely. So if you just want to have, from a storage standpoint, that can go somewhere, and then give this a couple twists, shrinks it down. And so from total storage, you can kind of, you just have this a little bit like this. All right, so even when you're in a situation like on this pond where you have rocks and everything, this can allow you to kind of telescope into the water and get a good reach because of how long it is. Also, when this gets wet, you just shake it off and it's almost dry versus another type of net that might take a while because it's made out of like nylon or some kind of other material versus this rubber. But yeah, being able to get a nice grab to whatever you might be catching is pretty cool. And with it being so big, you don't have to worry about getting too close, getting in the water, getting all nasty in this situation, a dirty pond, and you can scoop up a pretty large fish, size of a 5-gallon bucket. Full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, tell us what you think about our telescoping fishing net. Hopefully, and all your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.